We are in the gas chamber and crematorium number 1. 70 square meters, it's surface of the gas chamber. It was possible to kill even 600-700 people. It was very quick process. Assessmen who were standing on the roof opened covers and dropped crystals with Zyklon B through holes which were in the ceiling.
How long did it take before they died? Was it minutes? Was it minutes the minute the cyanide hit here?
Several minutes, according to most of eyewitnesses. And after 20-30 minutes, eyewitnesses who were forced to remove corpses from gas chambers, they testified that they opened the gas chamber 20-30 minutes after people stopped shouting, fighting for their lives, and they burned corpses in the next room in ovens. In crematorium, according to German documents, it was possible to burn 340 corpses in 24 hours. But it was only the beginning. In modern crematoria and gas chambers in Birkenau, it was possible to burn more than 4,000 corpses in 24 hours. We need to give images how it was organized, how mass extermination was organized. And these pictures, which are in these rooms, were taken by German soldiers, Walter and Hoffmann, in summer 1944. We don't know why German soldiers took pictures of victims. Germans didn't document crime.
Nuair a smaoinonn tú ar na scanán ar fad a bhí déanta agus na leabhar ar fad a bhí scríobhta faoin áit seo. Nuair atá tú an san áit seo, fáinne tú an mothúcháin is láidre gon rud a tharlainn seo. Déisteach agus uafásach agus gacrad. Ní féidir aon focail a chuir síos ar an rud a tharlainn seo.